Are you looking for the best pool heaters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pool heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hayward Universal H-Series Pool Heater. No matter how big your pool is, this heater from Hayward has an option that fits your power needs. Depending on which of the 4 size options you choose, this model of pool heater delivers an output ranging from 150,000 to 400,000 BTUs per hour. The universal pool heater runs on natural gas, has low environmental impact, and meets clean air quality standards. It uses a cupronickel heat exchanger, which prevents corrosion, so it's a great choice for saltwater and chemically treated in-ground pools. The pool heater also comes equipped with a digital LED control panel to control temperature with better precision and can be installed on both new and existing pool systems. It's designed with easy front panel access, which makes it a favorite among pool heater technicians and professionals as well. Number 2. Hayward HeatPro Pool Heat Pump. We recommend this unit because of its versatility, as it can be installed in new and existing pool systems and doesn't require a natural gas line. The electric heat pump delivers an output of 90,000 or 140,000 BTUs per hour, depending on the model you choose. While it won't be the most effective for larger pools, it's a great, less cumbersome option for anyone with a small, in-ground pool. The pool heater requires a 240-volt connection and works as a heat exchanger, drawing warmth from the air to heat pool water. Like other Hayward models, this heater has a digital LED control panel to adjust water temperature and is compatible with fresh and saltwater pools. The entire heater is treated to resist rust and corrosion, so you can feel confident buying it in harsher, moist climates. Number 3. Raypak Digital Natural Gas Pool Heater. This model provides all the convenience and efficiency of a natural gas pool heater while also offering impressive power that is perfect for big pools and naturally colder climates. The pool heater comes in several sizes ranging from 206,000 to 406,000 BTUs, so you'll never have to worry about colder weather interrupting a warm dip. Additionally, the heater is built with an extremely durable corrosion-resistant galvanized metal cabinet and a wind-resistant design, providing uninterrupted performance in nearly all weather, including rain and snow. It also features a reliable electronic pilot ignition that's controlled digitally. The ignition is compatible with most major pool control and remote systems. Just keep in mind that a vent top, which isn't included, is required for indoor installation. Number 4. EcoSmart ECO27 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Most pool heaters are large and cumbersome, but the EcoSmart tankless pool heater has a compact design that isn't as much of an eyesore in your yard. This electric pool heater can raise the temperature in pools by 1 to 1.5 degrees per hour, and it has a digital thermostat that you can set to your desired temperature in 1-degree increments. This heater uses flow activation technology instead of a traditional pressure switch, which increases its reliability and reduces the risk of burnt-out switches. It's compatible with the brand's remote control, sold separately, that lets you warm up the pool from across your yard, and you can even use it as an alternative to a booster pump. Number 5. Raypak Crosswind Heat/Cool Electric Pool Heater Pump. This energy-efficient, compact pool heater automatically shifts into maintenance mode once the water reaches the desired temperature. This helps save money and reduces overall energy usage. At the same time, instead of shutting off completely, it switches to low capacity to maintain the temperature, which makes it perfect for chillier days where pool water may cool off quicker than you want. The pool heater also has chilling capabilities for extremely hot days that bring down water temperature. If you live in a desert or tropical climate, this feature is a lifesaver during the dog days of summer. The heater-cooler combo runs on a 230-volt electrical connection, making it easy to install, and provides an output of 61,000 BTUs per hour. It features an inverter compressor and a low-speed fan motor for extremely quiet operation.